The following are legal issues that are important. Please listen to the following descriptions of legal rights as they are very important. These rights are very important to make sure that all criminal defendants are treated fairly. Without these rights, the criminal justice system would look very different and potentially the government could take advantage of citizens. One potential danger of violating these rights is that innocent individuals will be wrongly accused or convicted of crimes. Even guilty individuals are protected by these rights to make sure the trial process is as fair and balanced as possible. The Fourth Amendment protects individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures. This means a government agent, such as the police, cannot search an individual's property without first obtaining a warrant based on probable cause that the individual has evidence of some crime. A government agent does not need to obtain a warrant for searches pursuant to a lawful arrest, vehicle searches that are supported by probable cause, and in several other cases. Additionally, individuals can always consent to a search that occurs without a warrant. People never have to provide consent if they don't want to, and refusal to consent cannot be used to support a future warrant. The Fifth Amendment provides that criminal defendants will not be forced to be a witness against themselves in a criminal proceeding. This means that criminal defendants cannot be forced to take the stand as a witness against themselves. Additionally, the fact that the defendant refuses to take the stand cannot be proof that he is guilty of a crime. This also means that individuals cannot be forced to confess to a crime. Under this amendment, a government agent must give individuals the Miranda warnings whenever they take a suspect into custody. These warnings tell the defendant of his Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights. The Sixth Amendment gives criminal defendants the right to be represented by counsel. This means that once the government begins criminal proceedings against a defendant, that defendant has the right to be represented by an attorney. Additionally, if a criminal defendant cannot afford an attorney, the government must provide one. Criminal defendants who only face potential fines and not jail time do not have the right to an appointed attorney. Criminal defendants do have the right to represent themselves at trial, but in most situations, to protect fairness and keep the trial balanced, defendants are represented by an attorney.